Hey boys and girls, so over at John's here, going to get some work done on the turbo stalker. Got the fan shroud and alternator here for them. Got to put the alternator stand on next, and then we're going to get the motor up in there and start putting it together. Of course, we had to make the proverbial parts run, drop a Benjamin Franklin, all the stupid little stuff that costs too much. Have a heart attack over how much oil cost. Apparently oil went up in the last few months because it was like $7 a quart for some of the brand name oils. It's insane, but I guess that's just life. So anyways, fan shroud, alternator stand, put that in there, put the motor in there, and my goal is to try and get it to run the night. I don't know if that will actually happen or not, but we're going to try. So anyways guys, we're going to show you some of the highlights as we go along. Well, everything's going to be a struggle, as always. First struggle we had was our pulley puller decided to bend because the stock pulley was somehow rusted on there. So we fixed that, took a 3-bolt collector flange for like a V8, cut it up and built some gussets on this to be able to, well, first we had to straighten it out, of course, but anyways, that got the pulley loose enough, and now John is fighting with intake manifolds. It's so simple, but it's going to be hard. So anyways, I'm going to let him deal with that, and I'm going to try and get the pulley all the way off now. I wonder if it goes on the other way.
Chris, I'm just going to put the two.
It'll bring it over. I mean, well, let's think about that. You remember how? Let's put the no boots on it and put it in there and see what we can go.
No, it won't work because you bring this part too far.
Yeah. Well, let's put it in there without the boots on it and see what we have to cut.
I know we got to cut.
Yeah, I know you want to cut the boot. So, anyways, we're going to struggle with this for a little bit. Alright, so motor's in there. Turbo is starting to go on. Of course, with the intake pipe having to be changed around a little bit, cutting lengths off and stuff, it made everything a little tighter to get in there. Finding hardware has been our Achilles heel here, but it's in there. We still got to put the carburetor on, put the feed on, put the wastegate on. That's what, oh shoot, I should have did that already. Oh well, we're going to weld the wastegate on there. Should have did that beforehand, but I didn't think about it until now. And then carburetor, distributor, fan belt, and other stuff. So, making it run tonight, right? Tonight. It's got to happen tonight. It's got to happen tonight.
Okay.
It's got to happen tonight. Come on. I don't sleep until 3 in the morning anyway. So, anyways, we'll show you an update once we get some more work done here, guys. Alright, so it's getting there. It's not going to run the night, unfortunately. We have to cut some piping for the exhaust to go from here down underneath the header and over to our spark arrestor / loud pipe, and then out. And we got to make something for our wastegate just to make it look fancy. Running out of place to put the carburetor, unfortunately, is our biggest dilemma. We didn't really think about the body kit coming down so much here, and the carburetor wants to sit right where this sits down, so we're going to have to deal with that. I say just put it on the outside, but John's not happy with that. Look at that. He's disgusted with that. So we moved the breather box out of there, and maybe we can put it there. I don't know. But anyways, guys, that's it. We got the motors in there, got all the intake on, got the rest of the turbo set up, kind of welded up. Just time consuming to get little things done, unfortunately. So anyways, that's it for right now. We'll keep you posted. 3 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
3 weeks. So
I'll be here before you know it.
yeah. But, it's just, he's got to wire it up still and figure out where we're going to place the carburetor to make it all work. So anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And, we put the stock pulley on because of the aftermarket one being so far off. Which we found that other aftermarket one. I wonder if that one's off too. But, anyways, we're going to probably call it a night here in a little bit and BS of where we're going to put our carburetor at. So, anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.